Hello everybody, welcome to the Chapter 5 screencast. This chapter is entitled Beast from Water, so you can kind of make an inference as to what they're going to try to say the beast is this time. So what is the beast? Let's trace what it has been so far. Remember, so far the boys believe that the beast is a monster or a snake in the trees. If you remember, the birthmark boy said that there was a beastie in the forest, and now suddenly you remember he disappeared. And so in chapter 5, you're going to see that they think that it is something that will come in from the ocean. So they are very desperate to just point their finger at what it could be. So I want you to ask yourself this. The fact that they are trying desperately to identify what the beast is, what is that showing? What is that showing us? So keep that in mind. Moving on, focusing back on Jack. Jack is the animal. Just as the boys are so determined to find the beast, Jack himself is determined to kill it, leaving only a few boys left back at the beach. So he's very much like, I've got something to prove because I chickened out before, so if you're telling me there's a beast, I will kill it. So he's still very much in that mindset of killing. So ask yourself, is there a beast? What happens now that there's a division between the boys? Because remember, the boys are off hunting now. They're going to find and kill this beast. Ralph, going back to Ralph. Can the chief, good old Chief Ralph, can he still handle being in charge? Ask yourself, is Ralph's behavior changing? Are we seeing characteristics of a static or dynamic character in Ralph? And that's a great shot from the movie that we're going to watch the scene from. That's a great shot of Ralph there. So lots and lots of questions to ask yourself before you go into the chapter, but that'll give you just a preview of things you can be looking for and things to think about going in. Okay? Go ahead and go back to Schoology and take a look at what you are to proceed to now that you have read and watched this screencast.